Hello, good morning. So I'm Darren. You can call me the DC Beltway Gardener. So I live here in Northern Virginia, and I love nothing better than growing my own tomatoes, peppers, and garlic. And I also love the values of growth and sustainability, which drives my love of gardening and why I do it every year for the past 8 or 9 years. And I'm in zone 7, and that comes with its challenges like clay, soil, and pests, but it's warm enough and the seasons are long enough to get your favorite warm season and cold season vegetables. So I see many others here in Northern Virginia, right around the Beltway, with their own hoop houses in their backyards and their containers in their front yards. And I'm hoping that this channel serves as a way to connect a little bit and share some lessons and find out what works and how you address things that you run into. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you in the comments as I post regularly going through this season of 2022. It's early March right now, and please subscribe. For my first video in early March 2022, we'll give you a little bit of lay of the land here of what I have set up. So first I have 2 raised bed garden boxes with trellis that I constructed about a year ago. I have another raised garden bed here, which is mainly for lavender, which is still under a cold cover right now in early March. Then you get to my 2 original garden beds. Right now they have a cover cropped on them, and I have attached several trellises to the ends of these beds. I also have what I call another tomato trellis here at the very far end of my property. Let's continue this tour here. In my front yard I have several raised beds and a trellis, or 2. This contraption here is my first trellis, which I use to grow tomatoes, and I've had a squash growing over the top of that. And then here is one of my more recent raised beds where I have done peppers in the past, but right now in March we have some garlic trying to come up over, grow up into the my rudimentary cold frame here, along with some kale that I think will start getting taller soon, and some Brussels sprouts and kale that are surviving under the frost cover. So my goal here is to connect this community together a little bit and hear about some of your successes and lessons and challenges, and have a bit of fun. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned as we go through this 2022 growing season. We'll follow all the way through to how we reset beds at the end, because for me this doesn't end. I've been doing this for about 8 years, and here I'm at my house maybe about 5 or 6 years or so. So thank you for listening, and we will see you later. And it is nowhere close, so we'll keep checking that as we get closer to last frost. Meanwhile, I'm always grateful for the snow adding moisture, but I cannot wait until it's over. My cover crop will still persist through each of these storms. All right, until next time.